Hi everyone, welcome to my Sibelius Beauty channel. How are you? I hope you're okay. So in this video I'm going to share the gifts that I received for my birthday, and they are pretty awesome, and it kind of completes all the makeup that I've been buying lately. And just before I show you what I got, so in my eyelash here I have the Clinique Chubby Lash Fattening Mascara, and on my lips, of course, it's one of the gifts that I received. It's the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick Miss Argentina. I mean, look at the color. It's so gorgeous. It's matte lipstick. It's dry, but I've have it on me for like at least 4 hours maybe, and it's still good. It's still there. So I have that, and then I have the Bioderma micellar solution to remove the makeup. This one here, it's a good product. And now let me show you the Lush product that I got. So I received a Lush box. It came in this paper here, this box here, so it's all bubbles. So let me just clear all the things here. So I have this bubble bath here. This is, I think one of them, it's the yuzu and cocoa, and the comforter milky bath and the big bang. So I don't know which one is which one, but I will show them to you like this here. So I have this one here, and these are all bubble baths. They are not the bath bombs, so they will create some mousse, and I watched a couple of videos and I am so excited. So this is this one here. It came in the bag, and the last one this way here, and they smell pretty amazing, and you can just leave them in your room and the room will smell like pretty awesome. So I have this, and then I forgot to bring, I have also the Yankee candle. I post my picture in Instagram, you have maybe seen it. It's Summer Dreams from the Yankee candle. So I received that, and you can go and check my picture that I post on Instagram. So I have that, and of course I have Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop with collaboration with Becca. I mean, look at this, so gorgeous. And I still didn't swatch it because I'm always waiting to make my videos. I mean, this is so gorgeous. Let me just swatch it, and let's see here. I mean, look at this. It is goodness. This is so pretty. So I really got some nice gifts from it was from my brother and my sister-in-law. And the other thing that I got that I've been wanting for a while, and I was telling myself if I don't have it for my birthday, I'm going to go and get it, and it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance. And the palette here, it is so cool. I mean, the packaging, all velvet, it's so pretty. And I mean, look at the colors. Isn't this a beauty? This is so cute. So let me just go and swatch few of the colors, because I don't play with my makeup as long I don't make my videos. Like I said, I'm kind of repeating myself, but I have nothing on my hand here, back of my hand, no concealer, no nothing, no primer. So let me swatch the Love Letter, the Primavera, and then let's try the Golden Ochre. So these are the three colors here, and let's swatch it. I mean, look at this. It is so pretty. So pretty. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. So I know my eyes are kind of there, but I'm trying to stay focused and try to watch what I'm doing in the other camera so that you can see. I mean, I'm going to have lots of fun tutorials for you guys, and I'm kind of, now I have all of these amazing makeup that before I didn't buy because I find them expensive, but I was, you know, where you're getting more into makeup, you're kind of getting why some of the makeup have their price tag, because yes, you will have the quality and the pigmentation. I mean, look at this. This is so cool, so gorgeous. I'm loving it. So I will have more of tutorials and first impression and all the swatches in other videos. It will be all about the product itself, but now I'm kind of just sharing what I got as a birthday gift. So this was my birthday gift. I mean, this was amazing birthday gift. I'm so loving it. I wasn't expecting to get all of this, but I so love it. So again, thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.